Selecting the right windows for your Florence home is a significant decision that impacts not only your home's aesthetic appeal but also its energy efficiency, comfort, and security. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the best windows for your needs. Whether you're building a new home or replacing old, outdated windows, the following tips will help you choose the ideal windows for your Florence property. Consider your home's style. The first step in choosing the right windows for your Florence home is to consider the overall style and architecture of your property. Windows should enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home, so the style of the window you select should complement its design. Florence homes come in a variety of architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary, and the right windows can make a significant impact on the overall curb appeal. For traditional or colonial-style homes, classic window options like double-hung windows or casement windows might be ideal. Modern or contemporary homes often look great with sleek picture windows, slider windows, or casement windows. Farmhouse-style homes pair well with bay windows or arched windows to create a welcoming, rustic look. When choosing windows, think about how they will fit within the exterior design of your home and how they will enhance the overall look of your property. Think about energy efficiency. Florence can experience both hot summers and mild winters, which means energy-efficient windows are essential for maintaining comfort and keeping energy costs down. Windows play a crucial role in regulating your home's temperature and insulation, and choosing the right windows can reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Look for windows with the following energy-efficient features. Double or triple pane glass. These windows are better at insulating your home and keeping indoor temperatures consistent. Low-E glass coatings. These coatings help reflect heat during the summer and trap heat inside during the winter, making your home more comfortable year-round. Gas-filled panes. Argon or krypton gas is often used between the panes of glass to further enhance insulation. Energy Star certification. Look for windows with the Energy Star label, which indicates that the window meets specific energy efficiency standards. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you can lower your utility bills, create a more comfortable living environment, and reduce your carbon footprint. Durability and maintenance. Florence's climate can be tough on your windows, especially with the humidity and occasional storms. For this reason, it's important to choose windows that are durable and require minimal maintenance. The material of the window frame plays a major role in its longevity and upkeep. Vinyl windows. Vinyl is a popular choice due to its low maintenance requirements, durability, and affordability. It doesn't need to be painted and is resistant to rot, making it a great option for Florence's humid climate. Fiberglass windows. Known for their energy efficiency and resilience, fiberglass windows can withstand extreme weather conditions and require little maintenance. Wood windows. While they offer a classic aesthetic, wooden windows require regular maintenance to prevent rot and weathering, especially in humid climates. Aluminum windows. These windows are lightweight and durable but can be prone to condensation in humid climates, which could affect their efficiency. When considering durability and maintenance, be sure to select a material that suits your needs and the level of upkeep you're willing to commit to. Budget and cost consideration. The cost of replacement windows can vary significantly based on factors such as material, size, style, and energy efficiency. It's important to set a budget before shopping for new windows to help narrow down your options. While energy-efficient windows may have a higher upfront cost, they can save you money in the long term by reducing heating and cooling expenses. Keep in mind that professional installation is also an important cost consideration. Improperly installed windows can cause drafts, leaks, and energy inefficiency. Hiring a trusted window installation expert in Florence ensures that your windows are installed correctly, maximizing their performance and lifespan. Consider natural light and ventilation. Windows are not just for looking out of, they also play a crucial role in ventilating and illuminating your home. When selecting windows, think about how you want to use them to enhance natural light and airflow. Picture windows are great for providing an unobstructed view and allowing in a lot of natural light. Casement windows and awning windows are excellent for improving ventilation since they can be fully opened to allow fresh air into your home. Sliding windows and double-hung windows provide versatility and are ideal for allowing controlled airflow. Make sure to choose windows that will improve the overall ambiance of your home by enhancing light and ventilation. Security and safety features. Your windows also need to provide security and safety for you and your family. Look for windows with strong locks, reinforced glass, and multi-point locking systems. Some window styles, such as casement windows, offer an extra level of security since they have a locking mechanism that makes it harder for intruders to gain access to your home. Conclusion: make the right choice for your Florence home. Choosing the right windows for your Florence home involves considering several factors, including aesthetic appeal, energy efficiency, durability, and cost. The right windows will not only enhance the beauty and comfort of your home but also improve its value and long-term energy savings. Whether you prioritize energy efficiency, style, or low maintenance, there is a perfect window solution for your needs. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a local window expert in Florence to explore your options and find the perfect windows for your home. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, beautiful, and energy-efficient home for years to come.